Hey everybody. All right, so I wanted to talk to you about some replacements for some of our release and nourish oils. So especially if you're doing the 7-day cleanse with us, this is going to be really helpful because there might be some oils in there that you don't have at home or you just don't like and you want to replace it with something else. So this will be really helpful for you. If you're not doing the 7-day cleanse with us, it'll still be helpful for you if you've been looking for replacement for certain oils. And we need to switch it up. So, I often talk to you guys about switching it up. You don't want to be using the same oils all the time. So this would be great for that. All right, let's get started. Lavender. Lavender is our first one. So here are some great replacements for lavender. Rosewood, bergamot mint. So not the general bergamot, but the bergamot mint, clary sage, neroli, and petitgrain. So as I go through this list, I just want you to know I've chosen these oils. And by the way, let me reintroduce myself. I always forget to do that. I'm RENÉE Hughes. I am a certified professional level 2 aromatherapist. And so you're in the right place if you're trying to learn more about aromatherapy and how to get the most effective use of your essential oils safely and effectively. So these are some replacements that I've chosen as we go through this list. Some of them because of the botanical family, some of them because of the chemical constituents, some of them because of the chemical family, and some just because of the therapeutic benefits. So you'll hear some that you'll think, wow, why would you replace it for that? But it's for specific reasons that I chose these replacement oils. Okay, and so that's our list for lavender. Let's move on to frankincense. So say you don't want to use frankincense, you don't like it, don't like the smell, you don't have any. Here are some you can use to replace. Cedarwood, sandalwood, cypress, lavender, juniper berry. Okay, now none of these are going to be an exact replacement. So if you're looking for something really specific and you're not getting the result, it could be that you might have to go back to that oil. But again, chemical components, therapeutic benefits are helping us out here. And so these are some good replacements to try out for frankincense. For your citrus oils, grapefruit and lemon, I'm just going to recommend that you use other citruses. So if you have a blend, like something like Citrus Fresh, or you've got lime, even bergamot sometimes can be used. Orange is fantastic replacement if you don't like the smell of grapefruit or lemon and you want another a replacement for those when it's time to use your citruses. Orange is a beautiful replacement. So you can use that for either those that I just mentioned, for either the grapefruit or the lemon. Vetiver is a tough one to replace. So I really would like you to be using vetiver during the cleanse. However, if you cannot get vetiver or you cannot stand the smell of it, valerian is an option. But let's play with it a little bit. With vetiver, you can add some things like jasmine or geranium, just a drop to alter the smell. And actually you can do that with valerian too. Sometimes these are not the most popular smells, but what an incredible effect. So try to use that if you can. Peppermint is another tough one to replace because you're not going to find many, if any, essential oils with menthol. And so peppermint is just very specific. But when we're looking at therapeutic benefits, we can find some others that can give us something similar. So if you don't like peppermint, don't have peppermint, allergic to peppermint, here are some replacements. Tea tree, spearmint, bergamot mint, ravensara, and eucalyptus globus. So those are ones that you could use to replace the peppermint during the cleanse or whenever. YLANG. So YLANG is another tough one to replace, but here are some that you can try out for that. Lemon, verbena, melissa, and geranium. Okay. And then jasmine. Jasmine is another tough one. I only have YLANG for that. I really would love you to use the jasmine. YLANG is also amazing. So if you have YLANG, but don't have the jasmine, you can go ahead and use that and you'll be just fine on the cleanse. For bergamot, you can use bergamot mint, orange, neroli, or lavender. Those have very similar therapeutic benefits. Some of them have the same constituents or very similar components or constituents in there, okay? And then the last one is Roman chamomile. So for Roman chamomile, you can use blue tansy, German chamomile, or Davana would be great replacements if you don't have the Roman chamomile or can't manage the smell. All right, if you have questions, you know you can reach me. Always go to our website. We've got a chat up there at thearomaspecialist.com. Thank you. Bye.